Okay, so we're looking at a unit from 2008, Unit 3, and the stimulus material, the information is pretty short. So before you start the question, can you have a read through the information, and then before we start the questions, we'll just talk about what you know. Okay, so you're back again. So we're talking about a couple. So a couple is just two people. You have to know that, obviously. And this one's offering a second main meal free, provided that the second is cheaper than the first, and you have to have a total bill of at least $20. So $20 is okay, so it's greater than or equal to $20. So you can have a $20 bill, okay, but you've got to order enough food to get a $20 bill. Okay, so let's have a look. There's different entrees, different mains, different desserts, and there's tea and coffee. Okay, so the maths is going to be straightforward. It's just interpreting this. The free meal is the killer. Okay, so let's have a look at question 4. Can you pause the tape, and when you're ready, come back live? Okay, so you've had a go. So had an entree, a main, a dessert, and tea and coffee. So the most is the worst case scenario. So don't pick the cheapest meals. So we've got $7.50 entrees times 2 equals $15. Okay, the mains, let's go for the worst case scenario. We're only going to have one mains that we have to pay for because the bill's going to be over $20. So we'll just take one main because the second main will be free. We've got to pay for 2 desserts, so $6.50 times 2 equals $13, and we're going to have 2 tea and coffees, so 4 times 2 equals 8, and you've got to add those up, so 21, 30, 40, 50, 55, and so the answer is B. Okay, so don't forget you didn't have to pay for the second main meal. Okay, so let's have a look at question number 5. Pause the tape, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so this time they're ordering herb bread. They've got the 2 meals here, so we're just going to make sure we only pay for one of them. So the herb bread is $4.50. So the chicken risotto is $12. The gnocchi is $9.50. So that's going to be the free one because you only get the second, the cheaper one. So we've got $12 to pay for, and we get 1 bit of cake, $6.50. So we have to add those. So those two add up to $1. So we've got $1 to add on. $7, $19, $23, and the answer is A. Okay. So let's have a question number 6. You're just going to have to work your way through the different options. Don't forget, second main meal is free as long as the bill adds up to $20. Okay, so have a go, and when you're ready, come back. Okay, so let's go through the different meals. The tuna steak is $19, but I'm going to have to pay for both of them because if I had one free, I don't have a $20 bill, so that's going to be $38. So that's going to be not going to be in it. So 2 roast lambs. Okay, so 2 roast lambs, and I'm going to only order 1 coffee. So 1 coffee plus a roast lamb is $19. So I can't get the second one free. So that's going to be $34. I don't think that's going to be the winner. Okay, so 2 chicken risottos. So 2 chicken risottos. So that's going to be 2 times 12, but we'll just check how much the coffees add up to. So 2 coffees is $8. So if I only pay for one of them, and plus the $8, that's $20. So that's going to be a good deal because I'll get the second one free. The 2 gnocchis. Okay. So 2 950s times 2 equals $19. Maybe one of those is free. We'll just have to check. The 2 rhubarb custards, yes. So I'm not getting them for free. So that's 11. And then I get one of those free, which means I only have to pay $9.50. So that's $20.50. So this meal here was the cheapest. Okay, so question number 7. Again, just be careful of the free meal. So right now, you want, both members want a tuna steak, so you won't get a $19 meal because you've got to pay for 2 meals. Okay, so it's going to be one of these answers here. So just work your way through the choices. What could you have? And it doesn't say, it obviously doesn't say what else they could have, because they're not going to get a $20 meal unless they can get things to add up to $20. Okay, so have a go when you're ready. Okay, so you're back. So the tuna steaks are $19 each. Okay, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to get rid of one of those meals so that we get a free meal. So we don't want to pay for that. So the question is, what could they also get that would give us a bill? And the answer is, if they just got a coffee, that's the smallest amount, that gives $23, and so that would be the smallest bill. Okay, and that's it. Thanks, bye.